Do you want to set up and manage recurring payment plans for subscription-based products? In this video, I will guide you how to integrate PayWhirl recurring payments into your PageFly page. To achieve that, to get started, you need to install the PayWhirl recurring payments app on your Shopify store. Please check the link in the description to install the app. Before using the PayWhirl recurring payments app within PageFly, you must activate it in Theme Editor. Firstly, you should go to your Shopify admin, then navigate to Online Stores, select Theme, click on Customize button, find the app embeds, search for PayWhirl recurring payments, and activate it. Don't forget to click on Save button on the top right corner. After that, let's configure PayWhirl recurring payments app, because it's important to adjust all the necessary settings within PayWhirl to ensure that it displays correctly on your PageFly page. Firstly, click Plan tab. Here you can create recurring subscription plans for your products. You can set up the selling plan group name here. You can create selling subscription option. For example, I will choose two options, one for week and one for month. This full name will show on cart page and checkout page when you corresponding option. With a weekly subscription, I will select a 5% discount for customers who buy the selling plan, set corresponding plan selector label. It's 7% with a monthly subscription, same like above. Click Show Advanced Settings here. You can see the plan selector title option. When customers view your selling plan group options on a product page, you can manually change it. Click Save and Finish, all settings. Next, you need to associate subscription plans with your Shopify products. Simply click Add Product button. Find the product you want to add. Then click Add. If you only want the subscription options to apply to specific variants of a product, you can add then from the variant details page Shopify. Next, if you want to show your selling plans to customers, you need to add the selling plan widget to the product page. Go to your themes library and click the Customize button next to your target theme. Navigate to a product page. In your theme settings, click Add Block on your product page settings to the app section and select the payroll subscriptions block. Finally, to allow your customers to manage their subscriptions in their accounts, install the customer portal. Keep following my instructions in the app embed section of the side menu. Enable payroll customers portal and its relevant settings. Don't forget to save the changes. When you're done, it's time to add PayWhirl recurring payments in PageFly. You must add the PayWhirl recurring payments element to your page canvas before you can begin setting it up. In the PageFly page editor, click Add Third-Party Element on the left menu. You can see PayWhirl recurring payments element. To view the element's variant, click on it. Simply drag and drop the element into the page editor. You need to put it inside the product details element, as noted. Next, I will guide you how to configure PayWhirl recurring payments. On the General tab, there's a widget configuration giving you a short explanation of the PayWhirl recurring payments. Scroll down, you can set the visibility, attribute, and animation. Switch to Styling tab. You can adjust the margins, border style, effects, and CSS code. Let's hit Save and Publish button to check it in the live view. There you have it. By integrating PayWhirl recurring payments into your PageFly page, you can open up new opportunities for offering subscription-based services and products. This is the end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more videos. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is available via live chat 24/7 to assist you with any issues. Thank you for watching.